Well, Purdue University's flagship high school has a new name. Purdue Polytechnic High School is now known as the Schweitzer Center at Purdue Polytechnic High School, Englewood. The name change honors a $4 million commitment by Edmund Schweitzer III and his wife, Beatriz, to support the educational and career successes of underrepresented students in Central Indiana. Now, that's not the only mark the Schweitzers are making on Purdue in the West Lafayette area. In February, the family marked the opening of a $20 million Schweitzer Engineering Laboratories at Purdue's Discovery Park District. Ed and Beatriz Schweitzer join us now to explain what's behind their passion, not only for Purdue, but for education as well. And welcome to you both. I know you're right now in Washington State out west. We have your headquarters operation. Thanks for joining us.
Our pleasure.
Hey, Ed, I'll start with you. You bet. I'll start with you, Ed. I want to get both of your thoughts on this, but a major gift to Purdue and Purdue Polytechnic High School to support their efforts, which really are focused on some underserved students. Why make the gift? Why is it important to you support education, and in particular this particular model?
I think this particular model is unique to Purdue, and the idea of having Polytechnic High School so closely associated with Purdue University, and even an elementary school, a charter elementary school in the PM Mallory building. All of this comes together to do something that Beatriz and I are really keen on. We really are excited about introducing the opportunities of science and mathematics and technology to young people so that they can pursue careers in engineering and technology.
Yeah, really just recently opened the old Mallory building, a totally refurbished area for Purdue Polytechnic High School. Beatriz, as you look at this investment, the importance in education, I know you and really the company has a culture that supports education. Why was this important in your view?
This model is particularly exciting for us because we will be able, through this gift, we will be able to reach students at younger stages, and we are excited to hopefully see them and help them all the way through college.
Mm-hmm. The importance, Beatriz, of corporate America, or in this case, companies here in Indiana supporting education. How important? It's always been important to have that support, but I think perhaps now more than ever, the private sector support of education is important. Agree with that?
Very much, very much. We do believe in education as a way to better our lives and also to contribute to the society and have fun, because engineers do have a lot of fun. And through this particular model, we are excited to reach out to these young people, and hopefully they will contribute back to their communities, and in this way we will hope to change the world little by little. Yeah,
and potentially create that pipeline of employees there for Schweitzer. Ed, as I mentioned in the introduction, a major new operation at Purdue's Discovery Park District there in West Lafayette. Talk about the Schweitzer Engineering Labs, the laboratories that officially opened in February. It's quite a complex.
Well, thank you very much. We built a 100,000 square foot building there. We tried to make it fit in with the look of Purdue University and red brick appeal. I hope we did a good job with that. And we really love being a part of that Lafayette, West Lafayette, Purdue University community. In that building, we are doing manufacturing, engineering services, and some research and development activities. And that's going to expand over time. And we began with a number of people who had immigrated from out west to the Midwest, and we've hired a number of local people as well. We just couldn't be any happier. The whole thing has worked out so well for our company and our employee owners.
Well, talk about the business there, Ed. Purdue grad, passion for Purdue. But you've created a business model there as you look at designing and building digital products and systems that really protect power grids. Give us kind of the layman's description of what you do there at Schweitzer.
Great. Well, our verbs are we invent, design, manufacture, sell, support, and teach just about anything that has to do with the control, protection, automation, metering of electric power is used by utilities, industry, commerce, by all of us. So we help keep the lights on. When there's a disturbance like a lightning storm that propagates through an area, you'll notice sometimes the lights go off and automatically come back on. It's our protection and control systems that are performing those acts of isolating the part of the system that has problem and bringing it back as quickly as possible.
All right. It is a major new operation in West Lafayette, the Discovery Park District, an emerging center at Purdue. Ed and Beatriz Schweitzer, thank you very much. And again, congratulations on the commitment to Purdue Polytechnic High School as well.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Okay.